Hi, I'm Dr. Emily Hauk with Hauk Chiropractic, and I wanted to take a couple minutes to discuss chiropractic and ear infections. We had a patient come in on Friday, and he got diagnosed with an ear infection, and so his mom brought him in to get adjusted. And I took a look in his ear, and sure enough, his ear was red and inflamed, classic symptoms of an ear infection. So we got him adjusted, and he did really great over the weekend. Didn't take any medications. He came back on Monday and his ears were completely clear, symptom-free, no pain. So it was just a really great reminder of how chiropractic is such an amazing tool for kids that have ear infections. So I wanted to take a minute to explain how chiropractic helps. A lot of people have heard that chiropractic helps with ear infections, but how? Okay, so I have a little diagram here. Let me explain. We have the outer part of the ear right here, and then this purple part is the ear canal. And then right here is the eardrum, or the tympanic membrane. Right behind the eardrum, this green part is the middle ear. And so oftentimes, most commonly, when kids get ear infections, it's right in this area, right behind that eardrum. This red part is called the eustachian tube. And in a normal, healthy ear, the fluid that is in the middle ear should be able to flow nice and easy down into down through this eustachian tube. Sometimes what happens is that eustachian tube has a teeny little muscle that surrounds it, and sometimes that muscle gets really tight and contracted, so then it's blocking that eustachian tube, and the fluid that's in the middle ear isn't able to drain the way that it's supposed to. So, how does chiropractic play a role? Well, the nerves that tell that muscle that surrounds the eustachian tube how to contract and relax come out right at the base of the skull, right in that upper cervical spine. And so sometimes kids get misalignments in that upper cervical spine due to different stresses. And birth is a really common time for kids to get misalignments in that upper cervical spine because of, oftentimes there is some pulling, twisting of the head as they're coming out of the birth canal. So when that bone is out of alignment, it's putting pressure on the nerve that tells that muscle to contract and relax, and that muscle stays in a contracted state. So then the fluid that is in that middle ear isn't able to drain the way it's designed to. When you get fluid buildup, that's when that infection can occur. Okay, so really ear infections are more of a drainage problem than an actual infection problem. And so that's why chiropractic helps so well and so effective for kids, because it's addressing the actual cause of helping the ear to drain better so that the body, there's no chance for the infection to start. So if you have kids who have had ear infections or know anybody who has kids with ear infections, chiropractic is a great tool for them to at least get checked and see if their kids have misalignments in that upper cervical spine that could be the cause of the ear infections. So, thanks.